Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to forward stickers from chat on your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to share fun and expressive stickers with your friends. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by going to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your feed and various options on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages where all your conversations are stored. Now, open the chat where you want to forward a sticker. Browse through your conversations and select the one containing the sticker you wish to share. This is where all the fun happens. Once you're in the chat, find the sticker message that you want to forward. Look closely at the message. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. After clicking on the dots, click Forward from the menu that appears. This action will allow you to choose who you want to send this sticker to next. Now comes the fun part. Choose the recipients for your sticker. You can select one or multiple people from your contacts list. Simply click on their names to add them as recipients. Finally, once you've selected everyone you want to send the sticker to, click Send. Your sticker will now be forwarded to your chosen friends in just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to forward stickers from chat on Instagram using your PC with this new update. Enjoy sharing those stickers and adding a little extra flair to your conversations. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!